Welcome back, guys. Today we've got the Hilux in the shop. It's an LN167 and we're going to be doing the front output shaft seal on the transfer case. So we'll get her up on the hoist. Let's get into it. Okay, we just at the transfer case here, and hopefully you can see, but right where my finger is, there's a drip of oil there, which is coming out this seal here, which is your front output shaft seal that goes to your drive shaft to your front diff. Okay, we're just gonna drain the oil out of the transfer case. This is the drain plug, this is the filler plug. Right, 24 mil. Let's get a little drain tray. Because if the oil's leaking out, there's a good chance that dirt and water are getting in. That's actually quite dirty. Okay, we're just going to remove the front drive shaft, just 4 nuts and washers. Need a 14 mil socket. Get them off. Just going to rattle them off. It's just these 4 nuts here and 4 bolts on the front of it. It's easier. Just got to remove the whole drive shaft. Get them off to slide it off. Okay, now the drive shaft's off, we can undo this nut and this flange. The seal will be behind that. Yeah. Jam something in there to hold it. I'll rattle this nut off. It off. Then this flange should just pull off. Just get a little pry bar or something to remove that seal. Walk around there. That shaft to wriggle, check that bearing. So to see the bearing in there, it looks pretty good. Yeah, to install the new seal, I like to just sit it in there and just get a socket. This fits over the outer edges of it, and it'll go over that shaft as well, and just tap it in nice and evenly. So it's nice and flush in with the housing. Just put a little bit of rubber grease on it, around that flange. And that just slide on nice and easy. And nut back on. side, but I need to hold it. Okay, now that this nut's done up firm, I'm just going to put the torque wrench on it, tighten it up to 100 foot-pound. Now also we got a locking groove on the nut. Once you got it tight, just get a pin punch and a hammer and just knock that lip into the groove. That'll stop that nut from coming undone. Okay, time to fit the drive shaft back on. Just going to put a little bit of Loctite on these threads first. It's easy to do it now. So it's just 4 washers and nuts. Just tighten the nuts up. Okay, so time to fill it up. The drain plug is still off. I'm just going to unpump of oil through just to wash anything out that's stuck on the bottom. That's clean oil coming through now, so tighten that up. We're just going to pump it till it starts running out the level plug. Alright, let that run out to the right level. Alright, let's stop flowing out now, so plug back in. Nip that up. Okay guys, so that's how you change the front output shaft seal on the transfer case on this LN167 Hilux. Thanks for watching. Hope you've learnt something. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.